Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Payments Bank License. What is Payments Bank? Payments Bank were conceptualized in 2014 by the Reserve Bank of India (RBI). The banks which can accept a maximum deposit of INR 1 lakh. However, these banks do not avail the issuance of loans and credit card facilities. The bank must use the term Payment Bank in its name to differentiate itself from the other banks. Who can have a Payments Bank license? Individual professionals, telecom companies, public sector undertakings, chain of supermarkets, public companies, non-banking financial companies, NBFC, corporate business correspondents. Procedure to obtain Payments Bank license. Incorporate a public limited company. Now, the RBI regulations say that any person who intends to have a payments bank must have a public limited company to his name. Therefore, firstly, it is important to incorporate a public legal company. Application to RBI to grant license. Next, an application needs to be filled to the Chief General Manager of RBI to grant the license to the applicant. Validation of information. In this step, the information given by the applicant in the form of his application is validated by an External Advisory Committee (EAC). The applicant is summoned by the committee and the information is validated. License is granted. If the eligibility criteria is met by the applicant, he is granted the Payments Bank license by the RBI. Name on RBI website. As a consequence of the previous step, the name of the applicant shall be displayed on the official RBI website, thus showing that the respective applicant is now holder of a payment bank license. Creation of bank within 18 months. After finally getting a note from the RBI to operate as a payment bank, the bank has to be set up in 18 months. What should the payment banks adhere to? They are prohibited from accepting NRI deposits. They cannot render loan or credit cards. They can accept remittances as a channel. They must have a minimum capital of 100 crores. Their customers can avail several internet banking solutions. Future of Payments Bank. A strong system letting you carry out transactions even after having a traditional account. Transactions can be done at any time. They provide another apparent benefit of cash digitalization, banking on a broader scale. Conclusion. Having regard to what has been discussed herein above, it is manifested that payment banks are a game changer in the field of payment and cash transaction. They surely are the future of cashless transaction and banking in the country. www.pnjhub.in. We are aggregator platform where you can list yourself as professional and get leads. You can list yourself for chats with customer and also list empty office space. www.licenshub.in. We are providing more than 150 license and approval services on one platform. Contact Paras Mittal. Mobile number 9971002715. Thank you.